In this video, I'll show you how to use Fathom with Google Meet. Fathom works with Google Meet by joining basically your meetings, recording the conversation, creating notes, and generating summaries automatically. So the first thing that you'd like to do is go to Fathom AI, create an account, and install the Fathom desktop application. And then to connect your Google account, of course, the Google Calendar should be connected right away, specifically if you try to create an account using a Google account, it will connect automatically. So to connect that to Google Meet, you can go here at the top right as an example and click on settings. Once you do so, you'll find here the video conferencing, and here you can connect your Zoom and you can connect Google Meet as well. And in order to connect Google Meets, as I said before, you will have to install Fathom AI on your desktop. If you haven't yet, you will have to do it in order to be able to connect it. So here you can click on install the Chrome extension. This is how you basically use Fathom with Google Meet. Click on add to Brave, add your extension as example, and here you go. You can click on sign into an existing account and you should be now connected. As you can see now, your Google Meet now have a new button. Click on it to start recording with Fathom on your next call. So if I go here to Google Meet as example, I'm going to start a new meeting. I'm going to start an instant meeting right now, as you can see. And I'm going to, as example, continue with just the microphone. And here we are. So now, as you can see at this bottom left, I do have record this call with Fathom. So I can basically now use Fathom inside Google Meet. And of course, as I said, it will help me by joining the meeting, by recording conversation, creating notes, and generating summaries automatically. So if I click on that, it's already started recording this meeting and it will do everything for me. Once I am done as example, I can click in here to stop and you can just go and leave the meeting and you can just go to your account as example and Fathom and you should go and click on team calls or my calls or something like that and you should find everything that you want in there. Just make sure that when you click on the extension, that make sure that you're logged in on the same account that you just created the account with, so you can find everything on your Fathom AI. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.